searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander SEL in Mercury Gray. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, shark fin antenna, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 41,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 8515A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.